No, get down now. No. Not
Come
5
off
minutes.
my
Come now.
fence. If you drop and dead, we're gonna kill you with lick. That me I tell you. Come off my fence before we kick in your face.
This is why I told you to come down now.
Say kick in her face.
I'm kicking the rest.
Kick in your face. She not around play. Listen to your mother. Look boy, stay one place. I say you have to deal with them, you know.
Yeah, I know.
You have to kick
These
in her
kids
face.
don't listen. I
Kick in
told
her
ya
face, you
I was gonna get your auntie because y'all don't
everybody
listen.
gonna kick in them face. Them picking you have to rough them up, you know.
Yeah, it's crazy.
All them, all the kawan here, we are run up and down. Kick in her face. Them sitting there, you have to do.
They don't listen.
Come down. Not a
Now,
5
look,
minutes.
your
Hurry
auntie
up.
yelling at you now. Should have listened to me the first time.
Don't run put them, no play with them. Serious business with them, and we not ramp with them. Tell them.
Serious business me that time.
Depan shit, depan
Yeah.
serious business. We not play them game there. That's why if you talk to them, if you deal with them rough, you can't make a pick of them roll you up.
No, they don't listen. and-
Rick, gonna come down, man.
I'm Jamaican Chinese. Of course, everybody thinks I'm in here, Mr. Chin.
But Kyle.
Yo, what's cool, man?
I'm Jamaican Chinese. Obviously, people think me eat dog. See lunch? See dinner?
I'm Jamaican Chinese. Of course, everybody thinks I have a wholesale. Yeah, whole is nice. I'm Jamaican Chinese. Of course, everyone thinks I drive a minibus.
I'm Jamaican Chinese. Obviously, everybody thinks I know Chinese. Joseph. Sweet and sour chicken.
I'm Chinese Jamaican. Of course, everybody thinks I know martial arts.
China man.
What? Sorry.
I'm Jamaican Chinese. Of course, everybody thinks I have a big family.